So far, my favorite part has been the Science Expo because I love seeing kids my own age and younger than me and the projects that they created, and it was so fun seeing how STEAM has connected us all.
It's been a really great experience for people of a variety of ages to come in and do activities that they like. I was volunteering at the AI music station, and I think it was really cool to see different kids of different age levels and their creativity and their preferences.
I honestly think it's really cool. I mean, you get to see a lot of people and their interests. You got to see a lot of people doing things that they like, people doing things that they're really interested in.
I like the animation room because you can make it look like you're in a different world.
I think it's very cool because I've never been to something like this before.
It is very helpful for learning science and engineering and all. It's very helpful. We appreciate that.
It's actually great to have this at our high school because I see all the young people, all the kids getting so involved with STEAM, and it's something that I love. I did a project myself, and so I love to see all the younger minds getting into STEAM, getting interested, getting excited for it. And yeah, like the event itself is so great and it has so many fun aspects, so I love it.
I think that opportunities like this are really cool for the district. I really liked upstairs some of the activities that they were doing. It's also been really nice to kind of hang out with my friends and run some of these stations.
Well, it's been pretty great. I've seen a lot of cool exhibits. There was this one thing where I tried to bowl into some weird robot and it started throwing the balls back at me. I kind of missed the first 2 times, but it's been a really fun time at STEAM. Hope y'all do this every year?
We're hoping to.
All right, can't wait to see y'all next year.